Now we are going to solve the second problem in optic chapter, which is given in page number 30, that is given in 8th subdivision, second problem. This problem is based on concave lens. Look at that. One concave lens is given, its focal length is 15 centimeter. Usually the focal length of the concave lens must be taken in terms of negative. Therefore, f is equal to minus 15 must be written. Are you clear? Here, the object is kept at a distance of 10 centimeter from the optic center. Here the distance, all distances are measured from the center of the lens. If you measure the distance in this direction, that is against to the direction of the ray. Therefore, u must be taken as minus 10 centimeter as per the sign convention. Here the object is kept exactly at 10 centimeter and we have to draw the ray diagram. Already I have taught how to draw the ray diagram. Here the image is obtained. One small tiny diminished image is obtained and you are not able to catch the image on the screen. Since it is not able to be caught on the screen, this kind of image is called virtual image. One small diminished virtual image can be caught on the same side of the object. Here height of the object is given. Height of the object is given. You are asked to find out the height of the image. That's why I have written hi is question mark. And then image distance v also to be found out. Without finding v, you can't find out hi. Now, first we have to find out what is the value of image distance. Already in the previous problem we have used the lens law. Here also I am going to use the same lens law. First you have to write the title, lens law. What is the lens law? 1 by f is equal to 1 by v. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. That is a expression of lens law. What is required? V is required. Keep v in one side. 1 by v is equal to 1 by f. If it is brought on the other side, that one becomes plus 1 by u. Substitute the required values in the formula. F is in terms of negative, therefore minus 15 centimeter plus 1 by, as usual you write plus, later you write the value, okay, minus 10 centimeter. Here now you change the sign. This one could be written as minus 1 by 15 and then this one becomes minus 1 by 10. In that format we have to write. Multiply and take LCM. 15 into 10, that one becomes 150. 150 divided by 15 is 10. Are you clear? That one becomes minus 10. Are you clear? 150 divided by 10 is equal to 15. That one will be in terms of minus. Are you clear? So if both are added, you will get minus 25 divided by 150. So this is the value of 1 by v. But what is required? V is required. So v is equal to, reciprocate this, 150 along with minus sign divided by 25. So 150 divided by 25 is 6. Therefore minus 6 centimeter is the image distance. So in the ray diagram we have to mark the image distance from the center. How? From the center, at what distance that image is located? It is located at a distance of 6 centimeter. Since the distance is measured against to the ray, is it clear? The answer must be written in terms of negative. Already that negative sign is there. So we have found out the value of image distance. What is required now? Height of the image is required. Height of the object is known. As per the problem, the height of the object value is how much? It is given in the problem number. Okay, I'll read out. The height of the object is 3 centimeter. Are you clear? HO is given. HO is 3 centimeter. I'll write it here also. HO is equal to 3 centimeter. Now, already while learning the theory, we have learned the term called M. M is called magnification. Are you clear? M is equal to magnification. There are two formula for this. Image distance divided by object distance. To calculate the magnification, image distance to be divided by object distance. One more formula is there. Height of the image divided by height of the object. Here this is not known. Are you clear? V is known, U is known. and then HO is known. Which one is not known? HI is not known. So simply forget this. This ratio is equal to m. This ratio is also equal to m. Take this part alone. From this we are able to get the new formula. Are you clear? So V by U, clear, simply forget this. V by U is equal to HI divided by HO. So what is the formula for HI? HI is equal to, cross multiply this, V by U into HO. This is the formula. Are you clear? Substitute all the required values. While substituting here, don't put the signs. Negative sign is not required. What is the value of V? 6 divided by U value is 10. Are you clear? Into height of the object is 3 centimeter. So write 3 centimeters. Centimeter is important. So here the final answer will be 6 by 10 is equal to, what is the value? 6 by 10 is equal to 0.6. Are you clear? This value is 0.6. Just I will check it up whether it is seen within the display or not. 6 by 10 is equal to 0.6. That is to be multiplied with 3 centimeter. After that, if you multiply these two, you will get 1.8. 6 into 3, 18. 0.6 is there, therefore 1.8 centimeter. So this is the height of the image. What is the distance? Tell me. What is the height of the image? 1.8 centimeter. Look at the height of the object. Object height is 3 centimeter. Image distance is smaller. Are you clear? This is the answer, final answer that is to be given finally. Understood? Very important problem may be asked in the examination. Learn thoroughly. Okay.